type one sentence, and 30 seconds later, you have a finished song with vocals in whatever style you asked for. The catch is not the quality anymore. It is what you are allowed to do with it. The site is Suno. You describe a style, a mood, a subject, and it writes the lyrics and sings them. Or you paste in your own words instead. Each song costs about 5 credits, and you get 2 versions to choose from. The free plan gives you 50 credits a day, so roughly 10 songs, every day, for nothing. Paid starts at $10 a month, with a $30 tier above it. You can also extend a track, regenerate a section you do not like, or rework it in their studio. All of that costs more credits, which is where a plan that looked generous starts feeling tight. I have not paid for this. This comes from their pricing page and from the reporting around them. So here is where it breaks. The free plan is personal use only. 10 songs a day sounds wonderful until you put one behind a monetized video, which the license does not allow. Commercial rights start on the paid tier. And the ground under all of this has moved. Record labels sued, Warner settled and signed a licensing deal instead, and licensed models are replacing the current ones. What you have already made and downloaded stays yours, but the tool you learn today is not guaranteed to be the tool that exists next year. And whichever model made it, AI audio is still detectable as AI audio. Worth $10 if you want your own background music on a paid plan. Skip it if you plan to release commercially, and quietly hope nobody notices. And if you only need something under a video, YouTube's own audio library is free and already cleared for monetization. Start there.
If you enjoyed, hit like and subscribe. We review it, so you don't have to.